Welcome everyone. Yep, we're back up in the wood hole, finishing out that load of Doug fir. We're gonna cut a balsam. I was just up in the middle of the night, switching over to night shift and editing this video. I couldn't pass up the opportunity to share the beautiful spirit fire that I have going on tonight. Just doing a little cleanup around the spirit fire pit. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you all very much. I appreciate everybody's support. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, here we are. Here's our balsam, this one right here. There's one just beyond it, this one right here with the green still in it. And we're gonna go between this one and this one, and we're gonna lay it right alongside the road. It's gonna be just off the road so we don't make a mess in the road. There is a dead one, a small dead one that's right beside that, but I don't think we'll have any trouble with it. And we're going to try to not bark up the one beyond it. Okay, now we're trying this fresh square ground chain, 8-pin sprocket. This one, we're going to see if it's real grabby or if it's good for Fallinand. We know it's good for Buckin. We just saw it bucking that Doug fir. So we're going to try it on this balsam and see if it's real grabby on the stump. We're going to go between this tree and this tree. Down through there. Right through those two crowns right here. Right between those two crowns. That's where we're going. This is our tree right here. Okay? I'm trying to show as much as I can. It leans. I'm standing right directly in front of the tree, obviously, facing the direction we're going to go. It leans that way, and it has a slight lean this way. So we gotta keep it from going. We gotta keep it from going that way into this tree because of the crown. Nice. Nice. Pretty high all the way across, but that's okay. I always lean towards the side of safety, I guess you could say. Didn't break that top out, so that's good. Didn't hurt nothing. Looks like a few hangers right up there. Huh? Another one on the ground. Another thing I like to do this time of year especially is take a walk down the log from a distance because of all of that whatever, and look up into all the trees that I'm going to be working under when I'm bucking the tree up and limbing it. And also I like to watch for bees, whether they came out of another tree or they're still messed up and got scuffed from the tree going by them, hitting them, or in the ground. We get yellow jackets in the ground, so I like to do that as a safety precaution so I don't end up all bee stung out here. Not that it won't happen anyway, but yeah, they're out. So that's just a reminder to watch for bees. Well, we started this video with the Spirit Fire. We might as well end with the Spirit Fire, huh? Yep. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's a few things in there I hope can help someone, like relieving the tension off of a tree that's bound up in between a couple other trees and other things, different kinds of cuts. And we'll finish this series out with some splitting and loading and stacking and unloading and where it goes. So stay tuned for the next episode of this adventure that we're on. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the Spirit Fire, and I hope you enjoy these videos that we've been putting out. I know it's been all over the place with Bailey going to college and Charlie doing volleyball and Abby working and life continuing on and moving forward in our lives. And I want to thank everybody that has come here, that has helped us get where we are. All right, love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned.